Hi, you guys. This is Kiki on Self Care Apparel, and we're back with another video. Okay, today's video, you guys, we are making my men's collection. The only thing I have left for the men's collection is making the rest of the body oils, um, perfume oils, and sugar scrub. That's it. And then as far as me getting the lotions and body butter, working on the body butter, that's basically much it. What is going to happen on October 9th is they're just going to have their body oils until my lotions come in. Um, I do have to order them separate quantities, um, or I'm gonna just figure that out. But as far as it though, excuse me for the sniffles. It gotta happen. Okay, we're gonna date this on the 29th. And our ingredients, we're gonna use this coconut oil, jojoba oil, apricot, castor oil, and rose hip. All right. Now let's get into the ratios. I'm using a half a teaspoon of each. The set base is going to be the coconut oil because it gives you a lot of benefits. And I will be ordering more of my coconut oil. Avocado oil is next. Oh, and we got vitamin E oil. It just need to get added. Lay that down so I could put this. Oh, jeez. That castor oil is thick, y'all. Thick. Let's give this a stare. Why are we giving this a stare? We're going to add another good benefit, which is the rose hip oil. Ooh, the jasmine changed the color. Do y'all think we need to let this sit and marinate? I think we should add a little bit more. So right there. And we're gonna let that sit so I can write out the ratio. So we did a half of tablespoon of coconut, 1/2 tablespoon of jojoba, 1 1/2 apricot, vitamin E, castor oil, and 4 drops of rose hip. And we're gonna name this Jasmine. Okay. Now let me go get the funnel and I'll be right back. All right, we're back, y'all. So it's a rinse and repeat with this. So you once you have your formula set out, you'll be able to make this like no problems, no issue, unless you change the ratio part. So now we know how much oil we need. And that's what I mean ratio part. I'm just going to add more so we can get more out of it. Okay. Because I got 4 left to do. I need to write down these oils. Oh, that smells good. Okay. I already know a list to know what to get if I want this back. I know to get the Jasmine Element, which is I'm going to order too. All right. And you just pour your concoctions in. And this is just going to be a repeated thing over and over. So I will be back when everything is done. All right, and we're back, y'all. And here's the final results. And we're able to make 2 out of that batch. Now, I am going to stop here because I need the same batch. for the same ingredients for the rest of these. So I'm going to order more stuff for those. But as far as that, we are done with this collection right here. I'm just writing what I made for this batch. That's that. And yeah, y'all, if y'all want to see more behind the scenes of how I make my products for my upcoming collection, please like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. Bye.